So here's a little baby dance. It'll be one of your teens dances. So I'm not really going to go over how to do the choreography. So I'm not going to like teach it like I have in some other videos. I'm literally just going to go through. Yeah, I'm just going to literally just run it through a couple times, explaining what I'm doing, and then once we do finish the dance, then if we want one, I'll do another more detailed one. So yeah, this one will just be me doing the choreography pretty much. Phone fell over. Alright, so from the top. We're going, kicking with our right. Stop. Slide. Up. And when my foot lands back, as soon as it lands, I'm going to hit with my finger, and then that's when my knees are going to cave in. This is all to lyrics, this chorus bit, so I'm not going to really go over timing or anything. So 7, 8, it goes kick, swap, up, and build. I'm going, pushing out, so my fingers down here, all caved in. I'm going to open up my chest and pretty much open up my whole body. My finger's going to trace where my knee's going. It's just going to do one of those knee, knee, knee. Which is just knee, knee, knee. Knee, knee, knee. I'm going to push off the front foot so I can go into the scoop. So the push-off's not really part of the choreography, it's just a preparation to come into that scoop, because it'll be a little bit tricky coming from here. So knee, knee, knee. I go scoop onto my right, scoop onto my left, and then I'm going to fake a scoop. I'm going to go push, I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to push up my left leg. So from the top, 7, 8, goes kick, swap, up, and over. Baby got real, and kick, kick, scoop, and push. I'm pulling forward and back, forward. It's going right shoulder back, left shoulder, right shoulder. At the same time, I'm going pull and 45. I'm going 100, bouncing up the front. I go scoop and scoop. So my whole upper body, my torso is kind of just like resistantly. So like there's a resistance in my scoop. I'm just well, it pretty much just follows my hand. So I'm going hit and hit. So I'm like scooping and scooping, like they're in water just at the last second. So I'm going scoop and scoop. My body does the same thing. Scoop and scoop. Chili. Scoop and scoop. Oh, let's just go from the top, and then I'll go over this. Hut, hut, hut. So we go 6, 7, 8. Kick, swap, up and over. Baby got real, and scoop, scoop, push and up. I go pull and 45, 100 and heat and heat. I go. So I'm gonna just pull forward. I'm gonna go chili. I land on my right, step back, 2, constant timing. So it goes chili and forward, back, back, and then pull that left leg in slowly. So it goes forward, back, back, pull, and to get ready for the first count again. So it goes 6 and 7 and 8 and so with the hands I'm going chili, and I'm going pull, push, pull, push, 7, 8. From here I'm going hit with my baseball bat. Make sure, because our posture's over top here, make sure when we hit it our posture stays to this side. So our left side, pretty much this side. I'm going to go hit and ha, so posture's still there. I go rock and ha to come back up to the middle. As soon as I land, it goes forward, back, forward. So I'm forward at the moment to get ready to come back, and I'm just doing like one of those rolls with my fists. I'm just like rolling my hip out, and then I just come forward and forward. My hands are going run, 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 right hand first, and my body's going hit, hit, hit. With my torso, I'm not pushing my shoulders forward, but my shoulders are like attached to my chest. I'm just pushing this whole area forward. It's going hit, hit, hit. So from chili, go 7, baby girl, chili. I go pull, push, pull, 6, 7, 8, hit, and I go rock and forward, back, forward, and pull, and run, run, run. From the top, I'll just go once, and that'll be the end. So we go 6, 7, 8, I go swap, and over, knee, 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 I go scoot, scoot, push, and push, pull, 4,500, ski, ski, chili, and pull, push, push, pull, 7, 8, and rock, and pull, 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 I go back, and forward, forward, forward. That's the end of the chorus bit.